In this video, I want to talk about what should you do in case your brother printer, the MFC-J1360DW or a similar one, is printing blank pages or it's printing white lines on your prints. Definitely something is going on. Now, there's a good chance that this is happening because the print heads or the ink dried up if you didn't use the printer for a longer period of time. I'll show you how to fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do, let's go on the display over here and you're going to select settings. Tap on the settings button. Then select general setup by pressing OK and press OK again to select maintenance. And from here you're going to go down using the down arrow and select print head cleaning. Press OK. Now you have three choices. Black only, which means that it will only clean the black ink print head. So if in your print you notice that only the black ink has issues, well, select this one. If you notice that only the color ink on your prints have white lines or maybe they're not printing at all, select color only. Or if the whole thing is a big mess and both of them are not what you expect, select all over here. And now you have three choices again. You have normal, strong, and also strongest. Depending how badly your print heads are clogged, you have to select one of these. So usually normal is if you notice only a few white lines in your print. Nothing major, but definitely there is, there's some white lines. If you select strong or strongest, it will use more ink to do this printhead cleaning, because every time you do a printhead cleaning, by the way, some ink gets wasted. So I don't suggest you select strongest if you only have a very small problem, okay? Strongest should only be used if your page is almost all white because the printheads are completely clogged up. All right, so you're going to select one of these. Strong is in the middle. And once you press OK, it will take around a minute, 2 minutes. It will do the printhead cleaning. And at the end, a page will get printed. So make sure you have some paper. Check out the page and judge by yourself if the printhead cleaning was successful or not. If you saw that there is an improvement, go again over here and do another printhead cleaning until the problem is completely gone. So this is it. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if this helped out or if you have any other tips, and I'll see you in the next video.